Once you have your files, your documents completed and you want to send them to your customer, you're going to compose a document or create a document pack. So if you look up to the right, you'll see create a document packet. You're going to click on create a document packet, and if there isn't a name in there prepared by, you can put your name there. And then type in the note the directives you would give your customer. And then you would just click next. Now you want to give them the documents in order that you would like them to see. Probably not a good idea to start with a defective drywall. So let's go ahead and start with our brokerage relationship, and then our Collier County Code compliance brochure, along with our real property closing cost disclosure, our contract, our listing contract, our seller's disclosure, and then our defective drywall. So all your documents you've added, you've included into your forms. This is step 2. When you're finished with that, just click next. If you'd like to add a header, you can add the header and it will show the address to the left of the field. To the right of the field, it'll show the page of what page. And then in the center, you can put your email address or your phone number, whatever you would want to put there in the center. And then if you wanted to add a footer, at the footer in the center, you could put your cell phone number, to the left, you could put your fax number. And then click next. Now, for training purposes, so that you can see actually what a document pack looks like, I'm going to send it or save it to the app file. But I also want to show you when you do send it to your customer, you can send it as a link. You can't send it as an attachment because it's too large. And it doesn't always go through, so my suggestion is you would send it as a link if it allows you to send it as an attachment. As this is allowing us to, then we certainly can send it as an attachment. And we want to send it to our customer. And then we just type the subject. I don't need to give any more directives because I have. If you look at the bottom, my email signature is there, and I just click finished. But for the sake of training purposes, I'm not going to send it to my customer. I'm sending it to the app file so that you can see what it looks like. And I am finished. So it's processing those documents. And this is what your customer would receive. All 16 pages, a little table of contents, your directive is there, who it was prepared by. Now, this is what I like about the system. I can check and make sure if I've made any mistakes on anything that I've sent. Go through the entire thing. This is at a view. If I need to see it in a Adobe file, I would click on the PDF format, open the file up, and I can review it or I can print it out. If my customer is here, I can just print this document out and meet with them and have them sign the documents as well. And if you look at the header and footer, at the bottom is the footer, at the top is the header, and then there's your page of 4 of 16. So that's what it would look like. You just exit out of the PDF format. And now if I want to send it to my customer, I can from here send this packet the way that it is as a link to my customer and email it this way. And I can now put listing packet. And you can put a directive here that there is a table of contents and you know, review everything, sign everything, call if you have any questions. But again, it will be, once they open the document, it will be there on that table of contents. Okay? And that's how you would create and send a document packet from App Files.